directly or indirectly reveal the nature or contents of any business, proceedings or document of the cabinet committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such principal secretary. So help me God.
Engineer John Kipchumba Tanui.
Your Excellency, sir, I now invite Professor Edward Waswa Kisiangani, the Principal Secretary, State Department for Broadcasting and Telecommunication, to take his oath of office.
I, Edward Waswa Kisiangani, being called on to exercise the functions of Principal Secretary, do swear that, except with the authority of the President, I will not directly or indirectly reveal the nature or contents of any business, proceedings, or committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due